Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this from, whatever time zone you are. I hope you are here to learn about adaptive technology and more specifically a platform that uses this modern day tool, ScootPad. So without further ado, let us begin our look or our dive into ScootPad. Adaptive technology. First, what I want to talk about is what does this mean? What is it? So here we are. Adaptive technology, a useful tool that acknowledges that all students are not on the same level all the time. You may wonder, what does that mean? That means no matter what you do as a teacher in the classroom, there are no matter what you teach, no matter what you say, no matter how you say it or deliver it, sometimes all the students do not understand the content. And that's okay because now we have a great tool such as adaptive technology. Well, now you may wonder, how does adaptive technology work? Beginning with a baseline assessment, the platform or technology assesses the answer given from the student. Based on that answer, it then follows up with another question that goes in one of two ways. It can either be more difficult to challenge the student and see what they really know and how far they can take it, or if the student gets the answer wrong, it follows up with a simpler question, more so as a backdoor way to try to get back on track, and then with the ultimate goal of finishing with mastery. Like I said earlier in the slide in the presentation, ScootPad is the platform we are discussing, and as you can see, it is powered by ACT. Anybody familiar with the ACT, you already know what it is, you already know what it does, and how it helps our students. So this is backed by a very powerful foundation with the ACT. So let's talk about what is, and let's meet ScootPad. ScootPad is built on the Common Core standards in subjects like math, reading, spelling, and targeted towards the grades of K through 5. Comes in various price ranges from free basic plans to ultimately $20 ultra premium plans that include assessments, ebooks, and behavior tracking and reporting. This platform is also available in Apple products, Windows, and in the Google Play Store, as well as in the Kindle and Nook app stores. ScoopPad is pushing this very innovative concept of continuous adaptive learning. What that is, constant adapting to help enrich, helps make auto scaffolding, and makes personalized mastery in every concept, providing students with multiple ways to grow towards mastery. Because we all know, as teachers, our main goal is to get those kids towards on level, but ultimately towards mastery to show that they are going to be ready whenever testing happens, whenever they make it out in the world to make decisions, problem solving, no matter what the approach or the issue that may come their way, they are successful. ScoopPad classroom uses provides multiple views of data that shows both whole classes or specific students, shows their progress towards mastery, while also providing the time spent they may have had used on a question, along with the standards targeted in the lesson, providing them all the information that you can print out, look up, target, hit specific types or specific students so you can provide information to either administrators, fellow colleagues, parents, and to the students themselves would give the students the way to control their own learning. So with that very short and brief, hopefully informative view of ScootPad and adaptive technology, we see a very useful tool for the teacher to make adjustments to lessons and approaches that meet every student and engages them to help be on an even playing field. Thank you for watching, and I hope I provided you with some great insight and information on this adaptive technology and platform. And remember to learn every day. Goodbye.